Next up, we have this warning sign. While you have not registered an admin, you can unlock the lock with every fingerprint. So we need to add an admin first. And the way to do this is to press and hold this on and off button for around 8 seconds. Okay, so we will need to wait until the screen is blank and then press and hold for around 8 seconds. Press 5 seconds sysconfig. We need to get to the sysconfig blank screen and now press and hold until we end up in the sysconfig. There we go. Add admin fingerprint, user fingerprint, delete fingerprint, clear all. And you can also add and delete cards. Add remote controller, switch language, set the lock time, turn off Bluetooth and the sound, and also reset. Get the version. Oh my goodness, exit. Okay. Turn off sound, press and hold, probably. Yeah, success. Once again, press and hold to enter the sysconfig. So here we go. And first read, second read. You can add up to 3. Okay, from now on we need to authenticate with the fingerprint, of course. Let's clear all the admin fingerprints. And now it will work with every fingerprint. Okay, let's add the admin fingerprint again. Accepting the fingerprint, let's go. First read, second read, duplicated. Okay, so it will actually recognize when this fingerprint is already in there. And let's also add a card. And for this you will just need to swipe it. Easy as that. Press and hold to exit. Okay, now check this out. We have this card, unknown card, and we have this card. This is the actual card that I scanned. And it's unlocked. That's how that works. And now also just to check, fingerprint of this fingerprint not recognized. But this one will work. Let's go. Yeah, so these are the working principles of this lock. Yeah, so as you saw, everything is actually easy and super intuitive. Easy and fast setup. If you have questions, most of them will for sure be answered in the help section. And now all that's left is to actually insert this lock into a door and then give it a last test and just enjoy it. Yeah, and as I said, lastly, let's get to a short demo with an actual door. Let's go.